I've tried to replace broken glass on a Wahoo ROAM V2. The screen is glued to the glass, and the removal process is really hard. Any false movement ends in a disaster. Unfortunately, the screen underneath cracked. If there was a replacement screen with the glass available, the repair would be fairly easy. When you heat up the unit properly, you can pry it open without any damage. Unplug the screen and attach a new one. It's way easier than trying to remove the glass part from the screen itself.